In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use queries in Zoho CRM without coding. By the end, you'll know how to pull exactly the data you need from your CRM, using a clean, no-code interface. Start on your Zoho CRM homepage. From here, open Settings by clicking the Setup Gear icon in the top right corner. In the Settings area, head to the Developer Hub and select Queries. This is where you can build reusable, no-code data queries that surface CRM records in a structured way. Create a new query and give it a clear, descriptive name. For example, you might call it All Leads Today. A good name helps teammates recognize the purpose at a glance. You'll see the API name fill in automatically based on what you typed, so you can simply continue by clicking Next. Now choose the module you want to query. For this walkthrough, select Leads. You'll then pick which fields to include in your output. Keeping the selection focused makes your results easier to read and helps the query run faster. As an example, select company, first name, last name, title, email, phone, and industry. These fields provide a solid snapshot of each lead without overwhelming the view. You'll be offered the option to add a filter. For this example, choose None so you can see all lead records that match your field selections. If you're experimenting or validating a new query, starting without filters is a great way to confirm you're pulling the right fields before you narrow the results later. Next, set the order for your results. Choose to order by industry so similar records are grouped together. Sorting can make it much easier to scan and compare entries, especially when you're planning follow-up actions or segmenting lists. You may see an option to add a serializer. For this walkthrough, skip it. Serializers are useful for formatting or transforming the output when you have more advanced needs, but they're not required for a basic query. Go ahead and execute the query to preview the results. This is your chance to verify that the columns look right and that the data is returning as expected. If something seems off, double-check your field selections or sorting, then run it again. When everything looks good, save your query. It's now stored and ready to reuse whenever you need consistent, no-code access to this set of lead data. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.